Hi there, welcome to our virtual Glazed Summer Camp. Today's project is our Toddler sponging canvas. My name is Ms. Laura, I'll be your teacher today. Let's talk about what comes in your kit. You're going to get our fun doodle challenge, your set of sponges, your sticker stencil, and a blank canvas. Let's start out though with our fun story time, learning about colors. Let's read about my first colors. Hello, I'm a red ladybug. Do you see the red ladybug? What else is red? Can you find a strawberry? How about an apple? Fire trucks and peppers are also red. Glug glug, I'm an orange fish. Can you find the orange fish? What else is orange? Is a butterfly orange? How about a crab? Can you find the pumpkin? How about the orange? Roar, I'm a yellow lion. What else is yellow? Rubber duckies, lemons, yummy bananas, and a sunflower. Ribbit, I'm a green frog. There's our green frog. What else is green? Lizards and grapes, leaves and kiwis. Splish splash, I'm a blue whale. What else is blue? Blueberries and birds, even the sky and cars. Hi, I'm a purple hippo. What else is purple? Eggplant, rings, violets, cabbage. Honk honk, I'm a pink flamingo. What else is pink? Can you find the pink crayon? Yummy cupcakes, cute little pigs, and flowers. Growl, I'm a white polar bear. What else is white? Vanilla ice cream, fuzzy sheeps, a golf ball, and a swan. Meow! I'm a black cat. What else is black? Can you find the gorilla? How about the black hat? Creepy spider. Cute dog. Tweet tweet! I'm a rainbow-colored bird. What else is rainbow-colored? Look at that lollipop. Parrot, a rainbow, and a flag. Great job. Now it's time for our color challenge. Take out your papers and follow along with me. We're going to color in each image with the correct color, starting with our strawberry. What colors do you find in a strawberry? I see red and green. Have fun coloring in your other pictures. A blue bird, a yellow lemon, and a multicolor rainbow. Let's move on to our project now. Pull out all of your supplies. I poured my paint in a palette. You can use a paper plate to make it easier for dipping in. You're going to grab your sponges, your canvas, your stencil, and also going to grab a cup of water and napkins for cleaning your sponges. First, we're going to start by taking our sticker in the shape of a star and peeling it off really carefully. Now you can put your star anywhere you want on your canvas, but I'm going to put mine right in the center. Press down really good, make sure it sticks. Every edge. Alright, now we're going to use our different colors to create a rainbow around our star with our 4 different size sponges. We have small, medium, big, and extra big. First, we're going to start with our small, and we're going to dip into our red paint. Okay? Now start sponging all around your star with your small You want to go over the edge of your star. It's okay to get your paint on your sticker. Great job. Next, we're going to use our medium sponge, and we're going to dip into our orange paint. We're going to do the same thing all the way around our star. Make sure to follow your lines. It's okay if your colors mix. Just have fun. It's going to look like this. Next, we're going to get our third largest sponge and dip into our yellow paint. Same like we did for our red and our orange. All right, what color do you think comes next in our rainbow? With our biggest sponge, we're going to dip into our green. Save some room for our last color. I'm going to clean off my tiniest sponge. Dry it really well. And we're going to go in with our glue and fill in all our extra spots. Voila! Now we're going to give it time to dry. Once all your paint has dried completely, we're going to peel your stencil off to reveal your star. Have an adult help you with this. How cool is that? You can have fun by painting the inside of your star or leaving it blank. Now every time you look at it, you'll remember all the colors we learned today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to all of our videos and turn on the notifications so you can see when our next classes pop up. Thank you.